Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my video. So in today's video, I will be talking about this V-mount battery, the V99 from ZGCine. Alright, I'm gonna tell you why I use this particular V-mount battery for my camera setup. This is the camera setup of the Canon EOS R5C. So the very first reason that I chose to use this V-mount battery for my camera setup because this battery has the Type-C PD port. Why I need this? This EOS R5C require a power delivery through the Type-C port on the camera to power up the whole camera and fully function in 8K RAW. I don't actually shoot 8K RAW all the time, but when I need it, I want to be able to do it right away. And if you have been on the market for the V-mount battery, you already know that not many V-mount battery has a PD port. The second reason is the size of the battery. This battery is very small and very lightweight. For this size of the battery, is considered a mini size of the V-mount battery compared to the big size like this from the regular V-mount battery in the market. And of course, this one has no PD port at all. The third reason is the battery capacity. This V-mount battery even has a very small form factor, but it has a lot of power in here, up to like 99 watt hours. I can use one battery like this to power up my whole setup, including the camera, the monitor, and sometimes including the wireless follow focus. Because it had the PD port for the camera, it had the USB Type A for the follow focus, and also of course the D type for the monitor. I have been using this setup for quite a bit, and I can tell you from my own experiences that one full charge of this battery, I can power up the whole setup and use up to 4 hours. Yes, both the camera and the Ninja 5 monitor, I can use 4 hours for two of them in the same time. But if I use a separate battery for the monitor and only use this battery for the camera only, I actually can use it like, I don't know for how long, it's very long time, I can use all day long. There is one more thing, it had the PD in. Okay, so earlier we talked about the PD out of course, and this is the PD in, meaning you can use any USB Type-C charger to recharge this battery. That is very convenient, right? So for the normal V-mount battery, you're gonna need to bring your power adapter that had the D-type port, so you can use that D-type port to recharge the battery. Meanwhile, on this one, you don't have to bring any other power adapter because you can use the charger of the the MacBook Pro or anything around you that can recharge this battery, and it only takes 3 hours to full charge this battery. It's very quick, and yeah, because of that, you can use this battery to power your phone, your iPad, your computer, anything else. So yeah, I am personally using this V-mount battery for a while, and I highly recommend it, especially for the Canon EOS R5C shooter filmmakers because it's really good for this camera. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.